The main motivation for creating a robotics program actually came from the increasing demand of workforce by the Ohio manufacturers. And then that drove us into thinking that we would offer a 4-year bachelor's degree program in applied science, focusing entirely and specifically on robotics engineering technology. So we needed a space, and in a good-looking space with proper aesthetics and factors to influence positively the students' educational experiences. And with the help and support from the Miami University, we have created the robotics laboratory at Miami University Middletown campus.
There are a lot of opportunities for students when they choose any career in STEM, engineering, and especially in robotics, where a lot of industries, medical healthcare centers are switching to autonomous systems that are primarily robotics.
Our robotics program is designed in a flexible manner so that students from diverse technical backgrounds can actually come in and complete their bachelor's degree with the focus on robotics.
How robotics is going to shape into future is you are going to have more interactions. The human is going to be interacting more with the robot to handle operations in a very high-risk environment. There is always going to be an ever-growing need for robotics and any automated technology.
It's a really great program, and it has certain attributes that are unique. I mean, we have brought ourselves together as faculty to recognize our strengths, our weaknesses, and see how best we can develop engineering programs at Miami, as well as at those 12 two-year colleges across the state that will bring them trained person, not just the engineer, but the leader.
It's a great platform to attract more students into our programs, into our future programs of Miami University, and also enhance the retention rates where they do not get demotivated by the distance, by their location, where they don't get a full experience of a course.
I personally consider engineering as a great opportunity for people who have a great motivation of making a change and have some artistic skills, have some creative thinking skills. Meshing them all together would really make great engineers. The word engineer comes from ingenuity or geniusness. But I mean, in the modern society we have, with all the access to information and skills, you don't really need to be a genius to be an engineer. Thanks to the Miami University's programs, that we make everything accessible so that the students can grasp that in many ways, in many modalities. So those skills are not impossible to achieve.